To me, chi or life force energy is inherent in all things. It flows like water, nourishing our mind, body, and spirit. We need to nurture this life force within us, embrace the concepts of balance and harmony. Through the practice of yoga, qigong, tai chi, breathwork, and meditation, we can cultivate our chi to calm our mind and body. It's all about having fun and loving what you're doing. These practices increase our focus and concentration and improve our mental and physical well-being. Body, mind, spirit. Join me in cultivating your life force energy.